One of the leading BIM firms in the world, Scon Design offers cutting-edge services to clients in a variety of industries. Scon Design, a leader in the BIM sector with a staff of highly qualified specialists, provides cutting-edge solutions and unrivaled knowledge. They have contributed to some of the most difficult and prominent projects, producing excellent outcomes and developing a reputation for competence. Scon Design is dedicated to keeping at the forefront of technology and innovation as one of the best BIM firms in the globe, to guarantee that they are consistently offering their clients the greatest solutions available. They make significant investments in research and development. They are a great resource for any firm trying to utilize BIM technology, thanks to their knowledge and experience. Scon Design stands out as one of the top BIM businesses in the world in a very competitive sector. They are unmatched in their dedication to quality, innovation, and client happiness. They have developed a reputation as a reliable partner by offering top-notch support and achieving excellent outcomes. Scon Design ought to be at the top of your list if you're seeking for a BIM business that can assist you advance your business. A well-known BIM business, Scon Design provides its clients in the construction sector with a wide range of services. Scon Design, a BIM company, uses the most recent tools and technology to provide high-quality solutions that satisfy the needs of its customers. The business has a group of seasoned experts on staff that have the knowledge and abilities necessary to provide first-rate BIM services. Scon Design has established a reputation as one of the top BIM businesses in the sector, thanks to its dedication to quality and client satisfaction. Scon Design provides BIM services such as 3D modeling, clash detection, construction documentation, and project management. These services allow clients to expedite the construction process, visualize their projects in 3D, and find potential issues early in the design phase. The BIM services provided by Scon Design are intended to enhance project cooperation, lower errors and omissions, and boost general project effectiveness. A variety of projects, including commercial structures, hospitals, schools, and residential complexes, have utilized Scon Design's BIM services. Due to its dedication to innovation and perfection, Scon Design has been able to keep one step ahead of the competition and hold on to its position as a premier BIM provider. In conclusion, Scon Design is a recognized BIM business that offers top-notch services to its customers in the building sector. Scon Design has become a leader in the BIM sector, thanks to its dedication to innovation and customer satisfaction. Scon Design is one such business that has been at the forefront of utilizing BIM to enhance workflow. BIM using architecture firms are more competitive than those that aren't. BIM may enhance teamwork, assist in the creation of precise construction papers, and even help with the actual construction process.